My name is Hallie, and today I'm going to be releasing a royal tern. So he came into us from Daytona Beach. He was very skinny. He also had some damaged feathers due to the weather. So he's actually one of our first migration birds coming in, and we're very excited to be able to get him back out into the wild. Hi, my name is Amanda. We're also going to be releasing 2 adult laughing gulls. They both came in from Daytona Beach shores, and they both came out really skinny and dehydrated. Today they're going to get released.